Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Weekly Outlook. Company earnings are rolling this week with the major players in big tech, larger food and beverage companies and pharmaceuticals announcing their results from the last 3 months. Investors will be watching out for the Microsoft, Alphabet, Meta and Amazon figures, which are mostly expected to be suffering from the strain of increased expenses and capital expenditures putting pressure on margins. The IFO Business Climate Index for Germany is expected to rise to 94.4 in April from 93.3 in March, when data is released on Monday. The Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas General Business Activity Index for Texas manufacturing decreased for a second month to -15.7 in March from -13.5 in February. Conditions appear to still be declining as the forecast for April's report sits at -17. Major earnings reports to expect on Monday include Coca-Cola, Canadian National Railway and Vivendi. Optimism in the US economy is gauged by the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index, which will be released on Tuesday. Analysts expect March's 104.2 to remain unchanged for April. Sales of new single-family homes in the US hit their highest level since August of last year. When the newest data is released on Tuesday, expectations are for a dip to 635,000. Major earnings reports to expect on Tuesday include Microsoft, Alphabet, Visa, PepsiCo, Verizon and others. On Wednesday, Australia is due to report its CPI data for the quarter. In the last quarter of 2022, Australia's annual inflation accelerated to 7.8%, up from 7.3% in the previous quarter. The growing expense of food, fuel and new home building contributed to the highest print since the first quarter of 1990. The annualized rate of price increase is expected to drop to 6.8% for the first 3 months of 2023. Major earnings reports to expect on Wednesday include Meta Platforms and Danone. On Thursday, US GDP figures are expected to show 2% growth for the first quarter of the year compared to the last. Annualized pending home sales in the US for March are also due to be reported, and a slight improvement is expected for March at -18%. Major earnings reports to expect on Thursday include Amazon, MasterCard and DNB Bank, among others. On Friday, flash and preliminary GDP figures are due out for a number of major economies. Spain, Germany, Italy, the EU and Canada are expected to publish their first quarter growth rates with mostly subdued results or minor gains forecast. US personal income and personal spending data is also due to be released on Friday. 0.2% growth is expected for personal income for March, month over month. Analysts also expect a dip to -0.1% for March personal spending. Major earnings reports to expect on Friday include China Construction Bank, ExxonMobil, Chevron, Hexagon AB, among others. If you would like to read our full outlook, please visit the analysis section on our website. That's all for this week. Happy trading!